Changing the rear brakes on a 2018 Hyundai Sonata. It's got the electronic parking brake that doesn't have a service mode. So once you get the caliper off with two 14mm bolts, this connection here clips off. And then you're actually going to want to hook up some alligator clips to a power source here and put them on these little wings inside. You have them hooked up to the power source. I'm just using a battery charger here. Once you get it plugged in, you'll see it start moving. Once that breaks loose, you know you're good and you can actually press in. So in this respect, I did caliper sitting on there, did power on top, ground on the left. And if you do it the opposite way, it would actually tighten. So make sure it's in that right orientation, and then you're ready to push them in.